Hello, my dear students. You are very welcome in my Pathshala. Myself, Subramita Thakur from IQ City, Durgapur. So today we'll learn about the speed, distance, time. It's a new chapter. So you should learn first formula. You should note it down. The formula of the speed, distance, speed, distance, and time. The formula is speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. Time is equal to, time will be here, the speed will be here. The time equal to distance by speed, and distance equal to speed into time. These three formula are there. Without this, another formula I will come for the average speed or any other thing. So what will be the unit? The unit will be when the unit of distance in kilometer, when the run on the train goes to the in kilometer, when a man runs in meter, it should be like that. When the distance is kilometer and time in hour, the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour. But when the speed distance in meter and time in second, then unit of speed equal to meter per second. Right? This is the unit. Okay? Suppose a boy covers a distance. These three formula you note down, and now I do a question on the basis of this formula. A boy covers a distance. Her distance is equal to 1.2 kilometer. Cover it 40 minutes. 40 minutes a boy. Find the speed. Find the speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. In kilometer per hour and meter per second. In both the unit, I have to calculate how the is coming. Here we know the formula about the speed. Find the speed. So speed equal to, we know that speed equal to distance by time. That distance is 1.2 kilometer by 40 minutes. But it should be expressed in kilometer per hour. So 40 minute equal to 40 by 60 hour. That is 2 by 3 hour. So it will be divided by 1.2 by 2 by 3. That is 1.2 into 3 divided by 2. 0.6. That is 1.8 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. First answer. That is how the speed calculated there is kilometer per hour. Next question is it should be expressed in the speed should be expressed in meter per second. Now speed in meter per second. I have to calculate meter per second. So here it is 1.2 kilometer distance by in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. So 1.2 kilometer means 1200 meter. And 40 minutes means 40 into 60 second. So I have to convert to kilometer to meter, and whatever if it is hour and meter minutes, it will be converted to the second. Then I will get the meter per second. So here 20 will cut, and 6 2s are 12, 4. That is 1.2 meter per second. That is 0.5 meter per second. This is the answer of this question, right? Now we will learn about the uniform speed and variable speed. Uniform speed and variable speed. Uniform, from the word uniform, you can learn that uniform means same. If a body equal distance covers by equal time. Equal time. Equal distance covered by a car in equal time, then it will be a uniform speed. That is called uniform speed. If 60 kilometer, a car covers 60 kilometer in first hour, 60 kilometer in second hour, 60 kilometer in third hour. That means in 3 hours it will cover say 180 kilometer. But in the same distance in same time, in all the cases, then it will be a uniform speed, right? But the car covers 60 kilometer in first hour, then 50 kilometer in second hour, and 70 kilometer in third hour. Here is the total distance is 180 kilometer and total time is 3 hours, but it is uniform. Here it is the 180 kilometer and time is also 3 hours, but it is called the variable speed. It is called the variable speed. Did you get the point? That what is the uniform speed and what is variable distance? Variable distance is the equal distance but not equal time. Not equal distance in equal time. It is not uniform. That's why it is called the variable distance. Right? Now we will take mathematics, that how to calculate the speed and distance and time. A man runs 200 meter in 25 seconds. In 25 seconds. Find the speed, distance in 5 seconds, and time, time taken to cover 2 by 5 kilometer. This math will do. A man runs 200 meter in 25 seconds. 200 meter in 25 seconds. Therefore, speed equal to distance by time. Here, distance is equal to 200 meter and 25 seconds. That is 8. That is speed equal to 8 meter per second. Right? Speed will be calculated. Now B, distance in 5 seconds. Whenever distance equal to speed into time, speed is equal to 8 meter per second into 5 second, that is 40 meter. That is 40 meter. And calculate time taken to cover 2 by 5 kilometer. Now time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to 2.5 kilometer. That means 2.5 into 1000. That is 200. That is 400 meter. 2.5 kilometer means 400 meter. Here time is equal to distance is 400 meter and speed is equal to 8 meter per second. That is 50 seconds. So to cover the 2.5 kilometer, you will take the 50 seconds. This is the mathematics, another mathematics, right? So Now we will know about we already learned speed, distance and time, how to calculate, how to show the uniform speed, how to show the variable speed, and now we will calculate the average speed. Average speed. Average speed equal to the total time, total distance by total time. Total distance covered by a car in total time. Suppose, whenever if I do a math, then you can understand how to calculate the average speed. Suppose 120 kilometer, suppose the train is running towards this. 120 kilometer run in 2 hours. Then 160 kilometer in 3 hours. Right? And 140 kilometer in 2 hours. First 120 kilometer in 2 hours, 160 kilometer in 3 hours, then 140 kilometer in 2 hours. What will be the average speed? How to calculate the average speed? Average speed equal to total distance by total time. So total distance is equal to 120 plus 160 plus 140. That is 420. 420 kilometer. And total time is equal to 2 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour. 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7 hours. So average speed will be 420 divided by 7. 60 kilometer per hour. The average speed of that train is the 60 kilometer per hour, right? So I will do another math from this average speed. Then it will be, I think it will be clear to you that how to calculate the average speed. A man covers 60 kilometer of his journey in 30 kilometer per hour. Suppose a man covers 60 kilometer journey in speed, a distance is equal to and speed equal to 30 kilometer per hour. And remaining 50 kilometer, here it is 50 kilometer, it is runs the 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. The total time. What is the calculate the total time is equal to kitna? Total time and average speed. Average speed of the whole journey. So here in first case, that is time will equal to distance by speed. That is 60 by 30. That is 2 hours. Right? And in second case, time will be 50 by 20. That is 5 by 2 hours. Right? The total time is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2. That is 4 plus 5 by 2. That is 9 by 2 at the hours. Right? Total time. And total distance is equal to 60 plus 50. That is 110. So, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. That is 110 divided by 9 by 2. That is 110 into 2 divided by 9. That is 220 by 9 kilometer per hour. That will be the average speed. Okay. I think you can do all the mathematics from the first chapter of the speed distance time. Speed distance time will be covered by 2 lectures, and in next lecture I will do the train and speed and how to cover the train platform and electric pole, all the things, right? So you should do, I think you are able to do all the mathematics from the speed distance time. So if you like my lecture, then you must like and you must subscribe and share my classes to other students also. Thank you. Bye.